In this short video, you are going to learn important details regarding data frame, and also you will learn how to create data frame in R. Hi everyone, welcome back to one of my R series videos. If you are new and you want to learn R, start by subscribing to my channel so you don't miss anything. So let's start with our video today, data frame. So data frame is a two-dimensional data structure that can store different data type in each column. It's a heterogeneous data structure. So data frame is a matrix-like structure, or it can be a combination of more than one vector. Data frame can also be called tables. So here, for example, in our table, we have columns and rows. Each column has value of one variable. For example, here in this column, we have the sandwich name. And each row has one set of value from each column. For example, here we have the beef burger. It has 120 grams of meat. The spicy level is mild and the price is $10. To be able to create data frame in R, we need to follow certain rules. First rule, all columns should have same length. Second rule, all column names shouldn't be empty. Third rule, data can be stored as numeric, factor, or character type. Fourth rule, each row should have a unique name. For example, here we have first, second, and third order, but we can't have first order twice. Generally, you don't need to create data frame in R. Data frame can be imported either from data source or imported from your computer. But if you want to create data frame, you can use the data frame function. So in exercise 1, we will learn how to create data frame in R. I'm going to explain everything over RStudio. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to create vectors, then use the data frame function to create data frame. So first of all, we have 3 sandwiches: burger, cheeseburger, and chicken burger. So let's create a vector of 3 sandwiches. Second, we are creating a vector of prices. So we have price for each sandwich. So burger is $5, cheeseburger is $6.5, and chicken burger is $4. So let's create the vector. Third, we are going to create a factor and assign it to spice. So here, why we are creating a factor? Because we have limited option for the spicy level. If you didn't watch my factor video, I'll put the link in the description so you can go watch to understand more about factors. So after that, we are going to use the data frame function, and we are going just to write the name of each variable. So here we created 3 variables: sandwich, price, and spice. So inside the data frame function, we are going to write the variables, and we are going to print. So let's first create the spicy, and then print out. So here we have our data frame. So if you want to name the rows, and remember, we need to have a unique name for each row. So we are going to use row.names function, and we are going to write our menu because that's our data frame, what we assign to it. And here we are going to create a vector of 3 names because we have 3 rows. So here's the first order, second order, and third order. And let's run it. And as you can see, first order, second order, and third order. But for example, let's try to write first order twice. And let's run it. And as you can see, it gave an error. So that's it for today. Next video will be about access and change values in data frame. Thank you for watching.